I mean, back in the year 2009, I had an argument with my father, which ended up with him disowning me and telling me that I'm no longer his son. And may his soul rest in peace because he is late now. So when my late father disowned me, we stayed angry at each other for almost a year. We wouldn't even greet each other when we saw one another in the streets. Besahlala ethembisa at that time. But then, as the year was reaching towards the end, and I had just been made permanent, I was working for a company called Safco Penalpina at the time. When I got paid on payday, I went to his place because he had a soccer team. Ngamthola Blomeni impintshi zakhe, and I gave him a handshake with 200 rands in my hand, and I told him ukuthi he can buy himself a cold drink and he will find me waiting for him at home. But when my father got home, he said to me, Mtho ndodana, izinto zimoshwa ngomlomo ziphinde ilungiswe ngomlomo. And I understood what he meant. So I decided there, because I had come there, to tell him that I forgive him for whatever happened. I forgive him for disowning me, and to ask for his forgiveness for the way I had spoken to him, because I would have handled things a little bit better or in a different way. But then we forgave each other that day, and we were both happy again. And what I'm trying to say to you guys, Wuti, when you forgive someone who has wronged you, especially if that person is your parent, you are not doing it for them, you are doing it for you. Because at the end of the day, no matter what they do, no matter how wrong they are, no matter what mistakes they made, they are still your parent. My father was still my father, and there was nothing I could do to change that. Umzali. So forgiveness, guys, is very important, and I want you to understand from today, ukuthi, forgiveness is not for them, it's for you. So if wena uxabene nabazali bakho into zena zihambi kahle, I would advise you right now ukuthi buyele ekhaya. Forgive them for whatever mistake they made.